family, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making Benachin, Red Benachin. I have my croaker fish here, nicely washed. I have my croaker fish. I have onions, 3 onions here, cassava, cabbage, aubergine here. I have spring onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, carrots, fresh garlic, frozen mixed pepper here. I have my garlic paste. I'm going to be using 3 cans of chopped tomato. I have some of my Maggi cube here. I have some of my turmeric here. I have my Maggi aroma for seasoning. I have my tomato paste, my virgin olive oil, salt for taste. I have my bay leaf here. I have my parsley and coriander leaf here. So I'm going to be blending them in here in the mortar here. I'm going to be making my stock for my fish. So I have half of Scotch bonnet pepper, but if you want you can use the full one, but I'm just going to use little bit, half. So I'm going to blend my spring onion here. I'll be adding 1 Maggi cube here. I'm going to be adding some onion powder. One spoon of I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of garlic paste. Actually, I'm going to be making it 2 spoons. Salt for taste.
Premiummeat.com.
This is the stock for the fish. In your fish, just do a hole. As you can see, there's a big hole there.
Premiummeat.com.
Be careful of the knife. There's another big hole here. So I'm going to use my stuffing and stuff. Do the same thing the other side as well. I mean, do all the fish like that. Make a lot of stuffing inside.
Premiummeat.com.
So you just have to repeat the same thing all over again. You can see I already stuck all my fish, so I'm gonna fry them now. In the same oil here, you can shift the oil if you want to. So in the same oil, I'm gonna be frying my tomato paste. I've used one of these. I'm gonna drop a little bit of chopped onions and fry together. I'll leave everything here to fry. That's my eight, that's my eight, that's my eight here, that's my gaya. This is dry snail. This is our dry fish. You can have this. It's very hard to have here unless you have the Gambian shop or some of the African shop, or if someone coming from the Gambia, they can bring it for you. But if you don't have it, you don't need to be worried about if you don't have it. That's my mixed pepper, onion, garlic, spring onion. That's what I'm blending here. That's my fried tomato. I already fried my tomato. So I'm going to be adding some of my blended. So I'm going to leave this one for later use. I'm going to be adding my vegetable. I have added one chopped tomato in there. I did not blend it out of camera. So now that's the blended chopped tomato as well. I'm going to put it there now. Now I'm going to be adding some of my boiling hot water. You can use your cold water if you want, but this one will make it faster for me. Is 1.7 liter of water. I'm gonna be adding my fried fish, but normal my fish head I don't fry it. So normal my fish head I don't fry it. So I used to drop them in there. As soon as you drop everything, just put it on low fire. That's my remaining stock that I used to stock my fish. At this point, just reduce your fire now. Leave it to do their own thing in here. I'm gonna be putting 2 of my Maggi cube. I'm gonna be adding some white pepper. Be putting my bay leaf. You can put your bay leaf earlier, but I like this how I do my bay leaf. You know, you don't have to rush to put it in. At this point, I'm scooping everything out. Scoop all your vegetable, your fish, and then I'm going to be using broken basmati rice. going to be adding my remaining peppers. At this point now, I'll be adding my rice. I'll leave it to be here for 2-3 minutes. And I'll add my rice in. In here, just taste it. If you need to add any seasoning, you just do it, everything in here. As when you put the rice, you don't need to add any water or any seasoning. I'm gonna add 1 Maggi cube and a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. I'll be saying like amount of a spoon. Like that tamarind that I put. There's one here. There's one inside here. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of that.
Premiummeat.com.
I already removed everything now. I'm just putting the dahar and put my rice. I mean, if you don't want to put it like this, you don't have to. I already washed my rice and steam it. It's broken basmati rice. So I'm gonna put it into my pot. So you have to wash your rice and steam it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna cover it now and leave it on a very low fire. You have to reduce your fire. I did put some foil on top of it. I used my foil paper. I did that off camera. It's getting cooked, but you don't have to just turn it like this so the one on top too can get cooked.
Premiummeat.com.
Cover it with some foil paper for the steam. We're checking it again. It is now ready. Our benachin is ready now.
Premiummeat.com.
Friends and family, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. For my old subscribers, thank you so much. For my new subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you everyone. That's the benachin. The benachin is now ready. I have my bisab there. I have my that came from the benachin, the one that sticks from the pot. That's my heart here. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share this video. Stay blessed. Thank you everyone.